my name is Samara and this is my YouTube channel, Waymade Wears, where I make a whole variety of crafts from fairy wings to custom tree stump candles. Today, I am not going to be crafting. Sorry for your enjoyment. I am going to be creating a gallery wall behind me. I have a whole empty wall to play with, except for my husband's armor set and my lamp, of course. But I thought it would be fun to put up some artwork that I've collected for many years and try to create a nice artwork piece for my home, if you will. While I did that, I thought I would maybe answer a couple questions, have you guys get to know me a little bit. I think every other video that I've made, I've just gone straight into the craft and I just don't ever talk about myself because I'm boring and the craft is way more exciting than anything that I have to say. Okay, so I know this is the oldest trick in the books, but I have some excess paper that came from a plotter from work. I'm going to trace out the size of each frame and then I'll use that as a template to kind of figure out the gallery. First question. What do I do for work when I'm not making YouTube videos? I work in the film industry. I work as an art department coordinator, which doesn't sound that cool. I essentially get to work in the art department and I help kind of facilitate printing and distributing plans and dealing with like artwork clearances and like legal stuff. I also do graphic design for film and TV. I've only done like 3 projects doing graphic design, but I'm hoping I will do that more often. I've worked on the movie Air. That's the Ben Affleck, Matt Damon movie. I worked on the show Terminal List. I worked on like a ABC show called Perfect Harmony that came out a million years ago with, hello? I forgot the actors in that one. I'm so bad with actors. So my project's wrapped. I'm just kind of waiting around for another gig to pop up. But in the meantime, I get to craft and make fun stuff at home. Next question. Am I married? Yes. So a photo from our wedding. This is my husband, Elliot. I'm married and I have 2 cats. I don't have any children yet. I've been married since this video for 2 years. Got married in Minnesota, which is where I am from. I'm not from California. I just moved out here for the film industry. And so did my husband. He also works in the film industry. These are paintings of my cats that me and my husband did. We did these around Halloween. This is my cat Thumbelina as a wizard. And then this is my cat Felix as a dragon or a bat or something. So, all right, I'm gonna tape up the templates. I wish I could push the camera back so you could see more of the wall, but my house is very tiny. Okay. Well, I feel like the lighting here is gonna be really terrible. Oh, and I need a level. Oh, that's super crooked, oh my gosh. For symmetry, I'm gonna put the other wedding photo on the other side. Such a weird wall. Like I already have all of this that's like taking up too much space. You can't tell from far away, but I did little drawings of all of the images, just like quick little sketches. This is kind of fun. This is like just like a fun puzzle. I'm glad I can like stick it and move it around however I want. Okay, I think that's the gist of it. Yeah, I think we're pretty much done. I have a couple little things that I'm gonna show you that I might see if I can zhuzh it up a little bit. I have some like filigree pieces from my last show that I worked on. These were pieces that we had to decorate like some built-in bookshelves and things like that, but I have two of these guys. I don't know, I might, probably looks better this way, right? Yeah, but I kind of want to paint them. I kind of want to do some like gold leaf, because right now they're just like a plaster. I also have this bird. I can also cut pieces off. This is pretty malleable. This, which I think I broke off. I think I have this piece, but let me answer another question about myself. What am I passionate about? Well, I'm passionate about friends and family. I love hosting. I love creating a space where everyone can feel cozy and warm and comfy. What skill would you most like to learn? I would really love to get better at sewing. Sewing completely baffles me. I have no idea. I try and I follow patterns, but I am still very much a noob. Like I don't know. But I'm hoping to get better. I'm hoping with this channel, and the more I create, I can hopefully get better. I also would love to learn how to make chainmail. There's been a lot of like Joan of Arc references lately in social media, and women in armor is making a comeback, which is awesome and I love it. I think it'd be fun to try to do a chainmail piece. Went a little lower than I expected, but it's fine. Okay, this one's gonna just have to be one guy. So for this one and this one, I still have to add some hanging hardware. So I'm gonna do that after I finish putting up this one. And then I've got, there. The canvas, I'm going to just do command strips. Okay, this is what we got. Oh yeah, that's that, by the way. Got little pumpkin lights. What do you think? Deslina. Before I go silent for a couple hours, and I'll probably be in a different outfit the next time you see me, I'm gonna answer a question. What is on my bucket list? One, I think owning a home. I think that's a bucket list item for a lot of millennials. But yeah, that'd be nice. That's probably top of the bucket list. Something that's been on my to-do list for a long time is I do want to try to sew my own fairly historical Renaissance like gown. Every Ren Fair outfit I've done is just like very peasant core in a way. But if I could be somewhat royalty, I think that'd be pretty fun. I'm sure I have more things, but I don't know.
For the gold leaf, I'm going to use several materials. This old world art gold leaf kit, speedball metal leaf packages, and liquid leaf in classic gold. First, I wanted to do a test of the two base colors, first using the liquid leaf, and then using the red base from the old world kit. After that's dried, I'm using 1 to size adhesive for the gold leaf, making sure to cover everything well. Now I have to wait up to 15 minutes before I apply the gold leaf.
So here's my little test. The top here has the red antique finish. This here has the gold base coat. I was kind of hoping that the gold leaf would cover the cracks a little bit better, but I think just because this is so detailed, I think I'm gonna get a pretty crackly texture no matter what. What? Hello? What is it? What? I think I prefer just the gold background. It's a little side by side. So here's the gold leaf version, and then this is just the paint. So much shinier and so pretty. What I do like about this one is that you can see more of the definition a little easier. Like this one's a little, I don't know, it's kind of confusing to look at in a way, but I don't know, I still just really like it. My pieces are done. So now last thing we gotta do is add the final coat. I'm standing on a stool so that you can see the wall behind me. But yeah, I think I'm done. I don't know. It's pretty random. There's a lot of like bigger, not like perfectly curated frames for the space, but I worked with what I had and it's cute. I like it. So yeah, I don't know. I'm happy. I'm glad that this was a chore. I could check off my list of chores and yeah, had a good time. So thanks for sticking along with me as I created this gallery wall.
And if you weren't sick of my cats already, here are some images of them photoshopped into residential portraits.